Welcome to our channel. Today we are testing Web Navigator in WinCC v8.1. Let's start it. Open WinCC, create a project, single project or multi-project. Then click on create. Just wait. Then click on tag management. Creating some internal tags. Then create a group. Then create a tag, internal tags. I'm creating in0 in1. Then open graphic designer, create a new picture, then rename it, then right click here, define a start picture, then open it, then select this, drag and drop here. It's not working. Click and cancel this, then drag and drop again. It will be working. Now second in one, this is in two. Now create a text, same it likes, drag and drop. Then arrange these. Select slide left. Then select these. Now save it. Now close it. Go to user administrator. Give the web navigator rights on right side. First create a user. Now first go to web navigator. Create a image in web navigator. Then click here. Click on where and next, next. Then press OK. Look, the image is home image is showing the navigator. Now we can go to user administrator. Administrator, this one. This is administrator group. Click on here and select the image. Start screen here. Click here. Drop down form PL. Then go to admin. Create user 01, user 02. Then give the password here. Press OK. Same we need to give password as you want for user. Then select admin. Then enable web navigator and select the image. Same for user. Then go to admin rights. Go to user and click on monitoring for operator. You can not operating, only monitoring. And close it. Then close this. Go to web navigator now. Right click here, web configurator. Then click yes. Click on next. Create new HTTP and select the IP. This one. The port is 80. We need to remember this. I'm taking screenshot. Then open it. Then click on next. Select web client. Then next. Then enable these rules in inbound or outbound rule in advanced setting of firewall. Go to inbound rule. Select World Wide Web. We need to search here. Click World Wide Web. Look, the service is enabled inbound rule. Then finish it. Click on no. Then close this. Then close this. Then start runtime. Putting some values here. This is license pop-up. Then go to IIS, Internet Information Service. Then site, then web navigator. Go to right side, browse. Here, select the browser. Then click OK. Give the admin user password or which you defined in user administrator.